Welcome back to the channel, where we break down the biggest headlines in tech, politics, and global affairs. Today's news is both surprising and controversial. Elon Musk has reportedly been appointed by President-elect Donald Trump to head a brand new department in the US government. Yup, you heard that right. Musk is now being positioned to lead the Department of Government Efficiency. Let's break down what this means, why it matters, and what could happen next. So, what exactly is the Department of Government Efficiency, and why is everyone talking about it? This department is a new initiative proposed under the incoming Trump administration, aimed at fulfilling one of Trump's long-standing promises to drain the swamp and eliminate unnecessary bureaucracy within the US federal government. The US government is one of the largest operational machines on the planet, managing everything from healthcare to national defense, taxation, infrastructure, and more. But with size comes inefficiency. According to estimates, over $3 trillion is spent every year on operations and administrative functions, some of which are outdated, duplicated, or unnecessary. The idea behind this department is bold: treat the US government like a tech startup. That means faster decision making, automation of manual processes, and introducing new tools like AI and data analytics to improve how departments function. From digitizing outdated forms and automating customer services through AI chatbots to using blockchain for secure identity verification, the Department of Government Efficiency aims to modernize the entire way citizens interact with government agencies. If implemented successfully, this could mean shorter wait times, fewer paperwork errors, and more taxpayers' dollars being used where they actually matter, not lost in red tape. But it also raises important questions. Who defines what's efficient? And at what cost to privacy, transparency, and control? Now the big question: why Elon Musk? Why would Donald Trump choose a tech billionaire known for electric cars and rocket ships to lead a government department? Sure, Elon Musk has revolutionized multiple industries. He built Tesla, turned SpaceX into NASA's biggest private partner, and even launched Starlink, delivering global internet from space. No doubt, he's a visionary. But running the US government, that's a whole different level. It's not a startup, it's not a private company. It's one of the largest, slowest, and most regulation-bound machines in the world. We have known Elon thrives in environments where he sets the rules, moves fast, breaks things. Government isn't built for speed, it's built for process. And that's where the doubt comes in. Critics are already asking the important questions. Can Elon Musk adapt to public accountability? Will he work with career civil servants? Or what happens when he can't fire people or bypass red tapes? Sure, Elon Musk has achieved the impossible in the tech world, but running a federal government with its rules, politics, and red tape, that's a different kind of challenge. So, while this appointment is bold and headline worthy, many are asking, will Elon Musk succeed or crash into the wall of bureaucracy? Think about agencies like the DMV, IRS, or Veterans Affairs, departments known more for long wait times, inefficiency, and outdated tech than for innovation. Under Musk's leadership, the idea is to streamline these operations, possibly using the same strategies that transformed Tesla or SpaceX. Musk has already hinted at wanting to modernize how the government talks to citizens, likely through X, formerly Twitter, or even AI-driven assistant apps. But that raises a big question. Should the same platform used to host memes and political arguments become the hub for federal communication? While the vision sounds futuristic, even exciting, it's not without complications. Federal systems aren't private enterprises. They handle sensitive data, interact with vulnerable populations, and must follow strict legal and ethical standards. Would AI decision making comply with civil rights law? Could blockchain IDs lead to surveillance concerns? And will government employees, many of whom are unionized, accept this corporate style shakeup? Yes, Musk might bring in efficiency, automation, and speed, but the bigger question is, can he do it without breaking the very foundations of government accountability and public trust? Well, love him or hate him, putting Elon Musk at the helm of US government department is nothing short of a historic power play. If he pulls this off, we might witness the biggest government upgrade since the internet went mainstream. But if it backfires, well, it could be a tech fueled disaster we will all be watching in real time, probably on Twitter. So, is this genius level disruption or a billionaire overreach? Should one of the world's richest and most unpredictable minds be handed the keys to the federal engine? Tell us what you think in the comments. Should Elon Musk run a government department? Or is this one rocket launch too far? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Hope to catch you next time.